The world is full of millionaires, but not all of them were self-made. To become a self-made millionaire, you must take certain actions and take advantage of a wide range of opportunities that will redefine your perception of wealth creation and help you reach your ultimate goal. Hello 101 community, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be unraveling the 7 hidden and topmost secrets of self-made millionaires that you should absolutely know of. We've also included a bonus tip on how you can become a self-made millionaire at the very end of the video. So make sure you stick around till the very end. Ready? But before we begin, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss any updates. Did you know about 12 million American households today have a net worth of at least $1 million, with over 80% of these being self-made? This goes to prove that if you want to become wealthy, you don't wait on someone else to give it to you. You constantly have to keep devising new ways and developing new ideas about wealth creation that'll move you closer to attaining your ultimate goal. And while making $1 million might not necessarily give you financial security, it's certainly a giant leap in the journey to becoming financially independent and possibly becoming a multi-millionaire all by yourself. As Arnold Schwarzenegger once said, if the first million is too hard for you to earn your second first. But what do self-made millionaires know and do right that the rest of us don't? Do they have certain habits that we are all yet to incorporate? Or do they have special principles that they live by that the rest of us do not know of or possess? Let's dive right in. Number 7. Decide to be a millionaire and get rid of poverty thinking. This is a closely guarded secret that self-made millionaires possess and use to their advantage, and which you must adopt as well to gain entry into the club. To become a millionaire and create a net worth that you cannot possibly exhaust in your lifetime, you must first take that big decision and declare to yourself that you want to become a self-made millionaire. Making this deliberate decision instantly changes your mindset and sharpens your senses in identifying opportunities that would move you closer to this goal. This deliberate decision moves you from having nothing and mapping out an action plan towards pursuing them in achieving this all-important financial goal that you've set before yourself. Many self-made billionaires are very deliberate about this decision, that they write it out in their journals every single day, alongside the milestones and targets that they've set for themselves. This seemingly monotonous task keeps them reminded of their decision and the goal before them every single day and motivates them to only take actions that'll move them closer to it. And as the popular saying goes, there's no shortage of money on planet Earth, only a shortage of people who think correctly about it. You see, to become a millionaire from the very bottom, you must get rid of the mentality of the poor, as well as every trace of poverty thinking. While the poor think it's difficult to make money and go from $0 to $1 million all by yourself, you should never share in this false perception about becoming rich and self-made. Rather, you should constantly take actions that contradict this wrong perception about wealth creation every single day, or lose sight of your goal. Number 6. They set clear financial goals and diversify their income source. Every self-made millionaire works with carefully crafted financial goals and never relies on a single stream of income. A goal is different from a wish, and while the poor only wish to be rich, the rich deliberately and carefully create an action plan to get them to where they want to be. So, to become a self-made millionaire yourself, you must adopt this millionaire habit and think differently, and also have carefully spelled out financial goals. With your present finances, you can plan far into the future, and doing this allows you to take concrete actions in the near term toward meeting your long-term goals. Planning your financial goals helps you get clear on 4 critical issues that affect your finances. These are what you need versus what you want, and what you spend versus what you earn. Being able to distinguish among these financial issues and make appropriate financial decisions is crucial to how well and how soon you reach your ultimate goal of becoming a self-made millionaire. It's near impossible to find a millionaire with just one source of income. This is an established fact and a common habit among self-made millionaires. The rich constantly have multiple streams of income. This is because earning from different sources safeguards their wealth and protects them from the risk of losing a large portion of their wealth during economic downturns. The popular saying, "Do not put all your eggs in one basket," applies to income and is one thing that self-made millionaires strictly comply with. If you solely depend on your job for income, you'll be putting your financial safety in danger, especially in the event that you lose it. However, if you have several sources of income, you'll be more stable financially and probably have more money to invest. Number 5. They think big and create a system. It takes huge thinking to become a self-made millionaire. This way, you're able to set lofty goals and envision your success. You also need to have a resolute belief in yourself and your capabilities for greatness. One fact is, if you don't believe in yourself and constantly demonstrate it, no one else will. It's only when you have faith in your ability to succeed that good things will come your way. So, have faith and confidence in yourself and all the wonderful attributes that make you who you are. Also, have faith in your efforts. Believe that you can change the world by succeeding, and everyone around you will witness how fantastic it is when someone improves their life just by improving yours. A known fact is that every successful millionaire has an effective and failure-proof system that helps them reach their goal. Creating a system is crucial to attaining success in any kind of endeavor, including becoming a self-made millionaire. Creating a system also enables you to have an action plan for becoming a self-made millionaire repeatedly until you become highly proficient, thereby increasing the likelihood that you succeed at them. If you liked the video so far, press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to develop yourself financially and want to take your future into your own hands, check the links in the video description. You can also support the channel by visiting our merch shop and buy one of our products. The link is also in the description. Let's continue with the video. Number 4. Surround yourself with A players and work like a millionaire. This is the most crucial rule of all, and it's likewise the simplest to put into practice. You must surround yourself with individuals who are smarter, more successful, and all around better than you if you want to be successful. You don't have to be best friends with every highly productive person you know. All you need to do is observe them from a close distance and attempt to understand and replicate their thought process and actions. It requires deep self-examination about what kind of person you want to become over time. Once you've found a genuine answer to this all-important question, you'll then still need to make an actual effort on your part to go out into the world and find these people who can help accelerate your development and aid your journey to become a self-made millionaire. To be a self-made millionaire, you must also work like a millionaire even while you're still penniless. This goes a long way in changing your approach toward creating wealth. Rich people see and treat time differently. While the poor are content with selling their time for some penny, the rich place a premium on time and rather prefer to buy it. Many self-made billionaires understand that time is more valuable than money itself, so they prefer to hire people for things they're not good at or for activities that aren't a productive use of their time. To become a self-made millionaire yourself, you also have to be highly consumed by your hunt for success and only devote your time to highly productive things. Number 3. They are focused on investing rather than spending. Instead of spending money, the wealthy invest it. They are aware that the American tax code prefers investing to spending. While you purchase automobiles for comfort and style, rich people purchase tax-deductible cars for their businesses since they are utilized to generate income. Also, while the poor buy houses that they cannot write off, the rich buy apartment buildings instead, which generates cash flow, appreciates over time, and can write off the mortgage within a short period. Spending, especially when excessive and impulsive, greatly depletes the income left for investment, if any. To become a self-made millionaire, you must also be very frugal with your spending, and you must be more focused on investment. Number 2. Invest in yourself. Self-made millionaires are very big on personal development and would go to any length to invest in themselves. They thoroughly understand that life is more than just making money, while also acknowledging the fact that investing money is important to their overall financial goals. Although it may appear contradictory at first, investing in yourself may be a very effective method for increasing your wealth, and it doesn't cost much up front. Investing in yourself by reading books on psychology, finance, and investment will do a lot to develop your thought process and put you in the right frame of mind to come up with life-changing ideas. It also reinforces your belief in yourself and your capabilities, a crucial thing to possess on your journey to riches. Number 1. They avoid lifestyle creep and delay gratification. For most people, their spending increases as soon as their income does. But some of the world's richest people have demonstrated consistently that they are capable of doing the exact opposite of this. For context, Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. The amount of money you make has virtually no bearing on your chances of becoming a self-made millionaire. Everything is affected by what you keep. Your retained funds serve as your seed capital for investments and wealth creation. The more you avoid the wasteful money spending habits you have, the higher your chances of success. The ability to delay gratification is also key to wealth creation. Self-made millionaires can focus on both their daily obligations and the future. They have the exceptional capability to comprehend how decisions made today will affect those made tomorrow and can make prudent financial decisions with the rewards of the future fully in mind. They are resolute on choosing not to spend money on fleeting pleasure. And like we always do, we love to save the best for last. Now for the most important secret of all, our bonus point. Self-made millionaires always invest early. Investing is one such area on which self-made millionaires concentrate their energies. They not only invest, but they invest early as well. Over many years, they can amass riches thanks to the power of compound interest. The average age for self-made millionaires in America today is 57 years old, according to Rutgers. Therefore, you'll become wealthier faster if you start early and do not procrastinate. It should come as no surprise that becoming a millionaire rarely occurs overnight. The majority of people, according to available data, don't become millionaires through lottery winnings. The formula for most self-made millionaires is by practicing financial restraint over an extended period. And this is a quality you must learn to imbibe yourself early as well. To become a self-made millionaire yourself, you must necessarily learn to imbibe all of these secret traits and habits possessed by already established self-made billionaires. Also, you must exercise great restraint and discipline as you incorporate them into your daily life and live by them. This brings us to the end of the video. We hope you will avoid these mistakes in the future. Stay educated. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified of every update. Also, don't forget to check the links in the video description. And with the world still trying to recover from a turbulent recession, you might want to check out our video right here on how to get rich during a recession. For more videos on financial tips like this one, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you there. Take care and stay tuned.